comment section is insane in my most recent video. Seems like I've been drinking cold brew all wrong. Just fine, I actually don't drink a ton of cold brew. I was just doing a taste test, but let's do it properly this time. This was like the nicest comment I could find, where someone said, pumpkin cream cold brew, this right here, is meant to be sipped from the lid so you can get the foam. Cheers, let's do it properly. It tastes the same. Still not a sweet treat, and it's still a very strong coffee flavor. Try mixing it a little, I don't know. Literally get like punched in the face every time I drink this. This is not for me. Hope this makes everyone happy that I officially drank from a cold brew properly, but I typically don't get these, and I love drinking my coffee from a straw, especially like iced coffee. But while we're drinking coffee, I did get another one. Grande iced white mocha with pumpkin cream cold foam with oat milk, and then you line the cup with caramel sauce. Can't even give me a straw, so I can't even drink it with the straw, but let's try it. Okay, this is really good. I would give this a 9 out of 10. You can put the information on the screen because I know it's a mouthful to say everything. This drink isn't part of their official fall menu list. It's kind of tweaked, but it is really good. I like this a lot. Okay, that's it. Bye, you guys.